welcome back to our new vlog. This is Jenny&Kids vlog, your pangga. So today's video, we're going to unboxing our new shoes and leggings and my light, how did it say? I don't know. Basta ano siya, it's a light background. So today I'm going to try to speak in English so that my friend also here in Greece can understand what I say and what I'm trying to explain. So we're going to start here. We're going to unbox the, I don't know how to say this. So I ordered this in online and it's 80 euro, but it's 50% off, so it's good. I think it's good purchase. It's for my live streaming thing. For my live streaming. So so it is stairs light ups. How did it say this? I think it's disco light, something like this, or night light. But I ordered this for my live streaming background purposes. So it's like this. So it comes with the color. You can change the color like this, like purple. I think it's purple, the blue. No, this is pink, purple and pink, and blue violet, something like that, and blue. Parang it's like dark purple, pink, and green. So we're going to open this. What is in this here? So address only. You can see the price here. It's 39 euro.95. It's 40 euro. It's 50% off. It's actually 80 euro. So I find this in TikTok. So I order it. I don't know. I'm going to have a vlog for the feedback of this, if it's good or not. So when you open it comes with this, I think, guidebook. The name of this product is Stereo Sky Night Light. O, diba? It's long. So it is a guidebook. And you have here the control. We call here in English computer, but it's actually in English remote control or control. And then they have cord also, of course. And so this is it. This is just like this. This is the price, 80 euro. I mean, if it's not sale. So it's look like they have a speaker here. I don't know. What is this? On and off. So we have here on. Of course, you're going to connect the cord. Next, it is legging from Sport Defo. Ayan. So I find this leggings. It's nice, and it sell also again 50% off. Now it's I think I don't know, but the total price, I think with shipping fee also, it is cost 16 euro point 40. No, yeah, for 94. It's like 17 euro. I think included the what you call this, the shipping fee. I didn't use the scissor actually because I like to make like this to scratch the plastic off. So this is it. the brand, it's came here, the logo is there. You can see it's original because it's made from Cambodia. So I like it. I like what I purchased. I'm happy. Actually, also with this Adidas blouse, but I can't wait to wear it. Already. So this one is, I bought it for my husband. And it's Adidas shoes for ang pang-forma niya. So this one, this also is 50% off. I'm not going to buy branded things if it's not sale for 50% off. So this one is, I think the original price is 150 something, 150 euro something, and I bought it 84 something, almost 85 euro. I'm going to find the receipt. I think I take off the receipt already because actually it's two, one Adidas. Look, it's so nice and I like it so much. He's happy. I'm going to upload after this his reaction when I give him a surprise. For this, one Adidas shoes and one Champion shoes because it's sale. So it's so nice. It's rubberized. It's so soft and it's not heavy. So it's nice. He likes it also and he's happy. And he wanted to wear it on Saturday. So actually this is the bag that is already empty because he wore it already. So next, and I can't unboxing it because he cannot wait. So I order also for my mother-in-law. It's ASIC shoes. It's, of course, again 50%. All is 50% off. So I ordered for my mother-in-law and for my tiyo and the cousin of my husband. Oh my God, sorry. So pagbukas, when you open it, it look like this. 3 boxes. So they have papers here about Cosmo Sport and the receipt here, the details. It's already here. And then I'm going to show you first the ASIC shoes for my mother-in-law that she wanted so much, fuchsia color or pink color. So I bought this for my mother-in-law. She likes it so much. She is size number 39, but I ordered it 40 so that she had a little bit allowance for the socks, I think, so she can be comfortable when she's going to wear it. ASIC brand. Wait, I'm going to show you. Ayan. Size 7 in US and in Euro 40. So that's it for my mother-in-law. It's nice quality. It's also rubbers. Look, it's rubberized also, and then it's not heavy. And the next is Champion. Of course, my husband got already blue color. And the next is for this one is for my uncle, for the tiyo of my husband, the uncle of my husband. So it's the same. My husband wear 42, and then my uncle is 46. Yeah, it's 46. So it's only, this one is only 25 euro. This one is 25 euro. No, this one is 30 euro. 60 euro, but 50% it's 30 euro only. And then this mommy is 30 euro also. This actually is 60 euro, but now 50% discount is 30 euro only. And the next another champion in different color. It's the same but in different color. This one is only 25 euro. Yeah, it's more cheaper than the blue one. It's only 25 euro. Yeah, it's nice because I think it's big numbers. And I find the last one, 44 number, it's only 20 euros. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. Thank you so much for supporting Jenny and Kids vlog. And please subscribe Greek Farmers vlog. It's my second channel. It's about farming. So thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Hi, babe. So, yun na nga, dumating na siya. He arrived now from work. And come here, come here. We have surprise for you. Come here. Come here. Hey, Siko. Slowly. And look, his shoes. Look, look. Look, his shoes for work. So, look, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Kitravagia, kitravagia. Travagia. Travagia, dia. Ela me fubase. Ela. And now, wait. Pami iki, ela, iki, sige, prohoram, me fubase. Iki. Opa, eti. Wait, Gia. Go conduct to daddy. Go conduct to daddy. And now, open your eyes. Anexeto. Anexeto. Wow! It's my gift for you for your onoma, your name celebration. Lucky see. That is I buy that for your work. Wow! You like it? What is the brand? Yes, of course. I'm going. Yes. Lemperaje. So nandra mo taparto ka litera. Ne, katimerin ofta. Ne. 42. That is your shoes number. Poso no miso. That is for your work. I buy that for your work. Di cargo? Isa suparitita. Ini marka champion. Ini marka, bre. Where's my thank you?
Thank you.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Look. We didn't drink coffee. Di restaurant gapi mo.